Feather star. Feather stars look like floating feathers. They wave their arms to swim. Sea lily. Sea lilies are like feather stars, but live on stalks. They stay fixed to the seafloor. Deep sea shrimp. These shrimp glow in the dark. They live near deep ocean vents. Pistol shrimp. Pistol shrimp snap their claws. The snap makes bubbles that stun small fish. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimps have rainbow colors. They punch so fast it's like a bullet. Deep sea crab. These crabs have hard shells. They walk sideways along the ocean floor. Yeti crab. Yeti crabs have hairy arms. They wave them to catch food from hot vents. King crab. King crabs are huge with spiny legs. They live in cold, deep waters. Snow crab. Snow crabs have long, thin legs. They scuttle across the sea bottom in groups. Fiddler crab. Fiddler crabs live near sandy shores. Males wave one giant claw like a fiddle. Coral crab. Coral crabs hide in coral reefs. Their shells are colored to blend with corals. Deep sea isopod. These are giant pill bugs of the ocean. They crawl slowly on the deep floor. Amphipod. Amphipods are tiny shrimp-like creatures. They live in sand and seaweed. Krill. Krill are small shrimp-like animals. They are food for whales and fish. Sea spider. Sea spiders have long, thin legs. They suck juices from soft animals. Sea squirt. Sea squirts look like little water bags. They squirt water when touched. Tunicate. Tunicates are relatives of sea squirts. They filter food from the water. Lamprey. Lampreys are eel-like with round mouths. They suck on fish like little vampires. Remora. Remoras have suction heads. They stick to sharks and turtles for a free ride. Cleaner fish. Cleaner fish pick off parasites. Big fish let them clean their scales and teeth. Clownfish. Clownfish are orange with white stripes. They live safely inside sea anemones. Damselfish. Damselfish are tiny and colorful. They dart quickly around coral reefs. Parrotfish. Parrotfish have beak-shaped mouths. They bite coral to eat algae. Surgeonfish. Surgeonfish have sharp tail spines. They graze on algae in groups. Butterflyfish. Butterflyfish are bright with patterns. They swim in pairs near corals. Moorish idol. Moorish idols have long striped fins. They are famous in tropical reefs. Rasa. Rasas are long, slim fish. Some act as cleaners for other fish. Blenny. Blennies are small fish with big eyes. They hide in holes on the seafloor. Dragonet. Dragonets are tiny and colorful. They crawl on sand with little fins. Frogfish. Frogfish look like sponges. They use fins like feet to walk on the seafloor. Stonefish. Stonefish look like rocks. They are poisonous and hide in the sand. Lionfish. Lionfish have long striped fins. Their spines are venomous, but beautiful. Scorpionfish. Scorpionfish blend with rocks. They stay still and wait for prey. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish can change skin colors. They have big eyes and clever brains. Nautilus. Nautiluses live in spiral shells. They float up and down using gas chambers. Sea otter. Sea otters float on their backs. They crack open shellfish with rocks. Walrus. Walruses have long tusks and whiskers. They rest on ice, but dive to the seafloor for clams. Manatee. Manatees are gentle sea cows. They graze on seagrass in shallow waters. Dugong. Dugongs look like manatees. They live in warm seas and eat seagrass. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are white and friendly. They live in cold Arctic seas. Narwhal. Narwhals have long spiral tusks. They dive deep in icy oceans. Sperm whale. Sperm whales dive very deep. They hunt giant squid near the ocean floor. Blue whale. Blue whales are the biggest animals ever. They eat tiny krill from the water. Humpback whale. Humpback whales sing long songs. They jump high out of the sea. Dolphin. Dolphins are playful and smart. They swim in pods and talk with clicks. Porpoise. Porpoises look like dolphins but smaller. They swim quietly near the coast. Shark. Sharks have sharp teeth and strong fins. Many species rest close to the seafloor. Hammerhead shark. Hammerheads have flat heads like hammers. Their wide eyes help them hunt. Whale shark. Whale sharks are the biggest fish. They eat tiny plankton with wide mouths. Nurse shark. Nurse sharks are slow and gentle. They lie on the sea bottom during the day. Bamboo shark. Bamboo sharks are small with spots. They crawl along the sandy bottom at night. Cat shark. Cat sharks are little sharks with big eyes. They lay eggs called mermaid's purses. Angel shark. Angel sharks look flat like rays. They hide under sand to surprise prey. Frilled shark. Frilled sharks have long bodies. They look like living fossils from the deep sea. Greenland shark. Greenland sharks live in icy waters. They can live for more than 400 years. Goblin shark. Goblin sharks have long noses. Their jaws shoot forward to catch fish. Sawfish. Sawfish have long snouts with teeth. They swing them to stir up prey. Paddlefish. Paddlefish have flat snouts like paddles. They filter tiny food in rivers and seas. Sturgeon. Sturgeons are ancient fish with bony plates. They live near the bottoms of rivers and seas. Coelacanth.